remembering Easter for what it really is. Amen. Oh, let's cry out to the living God to be here in your crowd. Can everything stand up this morning, tonight? Let me have you clap your hands. Everybody together. Why complicate a simple thing? You are loved. Tell your neighbor, you're loved. You're loved. No, you're loved.
You're loved. You're loved.
I'm going to ask everyone, for about a minute, I'm going to ask everyone to close your eyes. Bow your head. Just for a minute. I know there's some people talking. It's okay. It's all right. Just hold reverence for about a minute. If you're here tonight, and I was talking to you, and everything that I said, it felt like, man, this is talking to me. You're right, I was. I was. Because I know there's a lot of people that are hurt out there. We deal with them on a daily basis. You're hurt from your past, you're hurt from your marriages, your divorce, your rebellious kids, your adulterous husband, your adulterous wife. You're hurt, and you need some healing. Some of you weak right now, you know what I'm talking about too. With every head bowed and every eye closed, I'm going to ask you, do you want this fresh start here today? Do you want this fresh start here today? I'm going to introduce you to Jesus Christ. If you would like to receive Jesus Christ as your personal Savior, it's a very simple process. Some of you, all you need to do is take a step of faith, because you know you need a change in your life. So let me eye closed and every head bowed. If you want to receive Jesus for the first time in your life, or maybe you're here and you used to be in love with Jesus. Somebody you went away from the love of God. You walked away. God calls you back. So with every head bowed and every eye closed, you and God, not because you're supposed to say it doesn't matter.
Go get it. Or ask for a little bit of water.
If you want to receive Jesus Christ, I'm going to ask you to raise up your hand and put your hand back down very quickly. Anybody in the house? Raise it. There's a lot of hurting people here tonight. We're you will remember
They're giving
my death
these out for communion.
So everyone,
It's pretty neat.
take
Amen.
And if you just keep committing, I want you to take about 50 seconds to pray because you are God. I ask for the blessing of this community, Lord. They're real. Practical. Evil times. I ask that you bless them, Lord. Those that are in trouble, let them seek you. We thank you. We praise you, Father. We worship you.
Who got that one? It popped the rocket launcher there. Did you see that lightning? Oh my gosh. Stop.
The top one, all right. Everyone understand the rules. Okay, when you hear the chopper, break out your camera. I don't know what we're going to do.
I have no idea how they're going to do this.
Right here.
We have guards.
Yeah, I told him I hope I get trampled.
We have a whole bunch of linebackers here. No, just kidding. There might be some Del Rio Rams, who knows? Kid. Okay, you're okay. There it goes. I don't know if you see that, but there it is. Woo! There it goes. It's coming right back up again. And there goes the helicopter dropping the eggs. Oh my God. Woo! And here he goes, making again his way his round. Look. Oh my gosh, there goes dropping the eggs. All those eggs. Round. Here he goes. Another round. Dropping eggs. Woo! Oh my gosh, you see all those eggs right there? They're still into this game, this thing.